Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have a Dell computer and you have installed Ubuntu 18.04 on your Dell computer, and after installing Ubuntu 18.04 on your Dell computer is not recognizing the killer wireless card. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So if your computer is on, go ahead and shut down your computer first. Now once your computer is shut down, start your computer once again. So press the power button, and as soon as you start the computer, you have to keep on tapping the F2 key on the keyboard. So keep on tapping the F2 on the keyboard, and when you keep on tapping the F2 on the keyboard, it will take you to the BIOS screen. So here you can see the system BIOS. Now on the top here you can see the fourth option is the boot option. So use the right arrow key on the keyboard to go to boot option, and then use the down arrow key to scroll down, and here you can see the secure boot option. So go ahead and disable the secure boot. So here you can see the secure boot is enabled right now. So once you highlight the secure boot, hit the enter key on the keyboard, and then here you see disabled and enabled option is there. Go ahead and use the up arrow key to select disabled, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard, and then select yes to apply changes. So use the left arrow key, select yes, then hit the enter key on the keyboard, and then on the bottom here you can see there is a F10 key, so save and exit. So you have to press the F10 key on the keyboard to save and exit. So press the F10 key on the keyboard, and here you can see save configuration and reset. So hit the enter key to select yes, and this will go ahead and restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can go ahead and check your Dell computer. It should go ahead and recognize your killer wireless card. Now if your BIOS interface looks like this, then go to the secure boot over here. You will see the secure boot on the left hand side. Click on this plus to expand this secure boot, and here you can see secure boot enable. Highlight this. Once you highlight this, you'll be able to see disabled and enabled option over here. Select the disabled option. So by default it will be enabled. So go ahead and put a check on disabled, and after that click on apply on the bottom, and then exit, and the system will restart, and then log into your computer, and that should go ahead and recognize the killer wireless card on your computer. So that should go ahead and fix the problem. But still, after selecting the disabled in secure boot, even after disabling the secure boot, still you are facing the problem, then you have to reinstall the Ubuntu 18.04 once again with secure boot disabled. So once the secure boot is disabled, go ahead and reinstall Ubuntu 18.04, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.